Hey guys, Toolmantim here. Welcome back to my workshop where we build business, create community, find freedom, and share success. It's another terrific Tuesday, which means it's time for a Toolbox Tuesday review. And this week, like every week, I have a cool product that's made my life just a little bit better, that solves a problem that I may have or you may have, and I want to share and tell you all about it. So if you follow me on social media, if you're watching this video as it airs, or well, not as it airs, but when it's first released, I have a grilling contest going on where I'm giving away a lot of my favorite products. But if you're watching this in the future, the contest is probably over. Sorry, better luck next time. But that being said, this is my go-to barbecue grill brush. I am giving that away as part of a package, but I want to tell you more about this right after. Guys, real quick before we dive into the review, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know all about what I do and the community I'm building, go to toolmantim.co. That's toolmantim.co to find out all about my social media presences, the content I create, and check out the shop where I have over 100 products that I recommend. Solutions to problems that you may have, things like I spilt paint on vinyl siding, how do I get it off? Or I need to hang a heavy picture without it falling on my head and I can't drill into the wall. What do I use? So I got a whole bunch of recommendations there. Don't sell anything, but it gives you a write-up about the products I've used in my business that save me money or make me money. And then if you decide you want to pick one up, and you do through the Amazon link, that'll support the content I make here. So thank you. All right, guys, so this week I got another good one for you, and it is my go-to barbecue brush. So a few years ago, of course, there was the panic about the old style, really fine, almost like aluminum style bristles breaking off and getting lodged in people's stomach and intestine. And I always thought, oh yeah, whatever, you brush things off. It's like it's the media, whatever. Well, anyway, a friend of mine from college ended up having the exact thing happen using the old aluminum bristled or fine wire bristled brushes. And what ended up happening, it lodged in his intestine, and he spent a lot of really bad days where they didn't know if he was even going to make it in the emergency room at the hospital. And anyway, wasn't good. He's happy and good to go now, but of course, it's funny how when it happens to somebody all of a sudden you take it serious, and that's what I did. So I started going on a hunt for a better barbecue brush, because I used those other ones and I'd wear them out, and you always seen those bristles breaking off. So I decided to switch over to an all-wood bamboo style, and it worked pretty good as long as you were cleaning the grill when it was cold. If you were cleaning it when it was hot, it would tend to burn the bristles a little bit, and if you do like my son did once and decided to clean it while the grill was still on, the bristles disappeared. So not bad, they worked, but I needed something just a little bit better, a little more reliable and long term, because you guys know I like buy it for life products. Now I don't know if this is a buy it for life product yet, but it is built like it absolutely should be. So this barbecue brush here, the link will be in the description below. It's sold by a ton of different overseas suppliers on Amazon, but the design is always the same. The price was roughly the same. It's had to look it up, 42 centimeters long, and of course I'm Canadian, but I did not know what I couldn't guess what 42 centimeters was right off, so I converted it, almost 17 inches. So it is a nice long barbecue brush. It's got a nice handle with a hole in the middle, which means it dissipates the heat a lot faster. It's built with these knurled twisted wire handles, 6 of them all clamped together, stainless steel clamp there, and that part of it is very strong. I love it. You can put as much oomph as you need to into it when you're cleaning, but the real question is, well, 2 things. Do the bristles break off, and does it clean the barbecue? Number one, the most important thing is, does it clean the damn barbecue? So first off, this scraper right here, I thought that was just kind of I've never used a scraper before. I never enjoyed it. Well, you know what? This thing is very sturdy. It bends a little bit, but it's very solid. And first off, you can go across the top of the grill, but what I like are the way that it's angled. It gets down in between each of the individual grill rails. But what I really like is this design here. Almost looks like steel wool or a chore boy or something like that. But it's this totally long, twisted, it looks like a back massager. I don't know. Not that I'd want my back massaged with that thing. But you can see the one wire comes out here. That is sturdy as all get out. And if one ever did break off, it's much thicker, so you're going to see it. You're not going to accidentally ingest it. But This triple layer, there's another one that goes sideways, but this fits perfectly on top of the grill, and it just cleans really, really well. I was looking for something, buy it for life-ish. This is pretty darn close. It's built like a tank. 4 to 5 stars on Amazon, so people are happy with it. And like I said, it is available from a ton of different vendors on Amazon. But look for the design with the nice long handle, the nice twisted metal shaft that goes up here, and then this really cool twisted metal pattern for scrubbing the grill clean. And it just works. So that's in my go-to. I've been trying to review all my barbecue products because it's something that we like, and it's something that I'd like to share my like with to you guys. So I've done a instant read meat thermometer if you want to check that out. I have done fire spray, which I love. I've actually used a couple times on flare-ups with my barbecue. And my pick from Amazon for the Buy It for Life barbecue lighter as well. So it's all there. But if you guys have any suggestions for products that you really like that you'd like to see me review, throw it in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you got value from this video, guys, absolutely share it on your social platform of choice, because to me, that's how we grow this community, and that's how I get to share my love of gear and tools with you guys. So that's it for me this week, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow on a Tool Time gear review. You'll see lots of cool things coming up there. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and have a great week.